Ready? Huh? What beta? Huh? First book. Then you have to. We have to start fast revisions. Seriously, tomorrow test means how you are going to appear, sir. Practice test means they will be giving you materials or something. Good evening, beta. Good evening, Jayashree. Okay, let's start the class, please. Get ready, please. Now, listen. What we are going to do today is the remaining properties we are going to touch and leave as fast as possible because we don't have that much time. Now, listen. Some of the properties, which is exactly last class, one property we have discussed, and that property was, come on, check this one out. Odd and even property we have discussed, no, na? I think property 7 we have discussed or not? No. Till property 6 we have discussed. 5 or 6, beta? 5. 5 and 6. I think 6 in online class I have discussed. It was not recorded. Property number 4 discussed. 5 also done na? Property number 5 also done. Yes, change in what you call. It will put A minus. See, one question is there, everyone, Yashmita, Sivaranjani, Jayashri. Now, one question is there, beta. This question you must learn because this question came in CBSE 2019. It is based on property number 5. Listen, property number 5, video of linear programming, I'm releasing from top to bottom, small details of linear programming. 5 minutes clip I am making. One time you will see, it will be over. Okay. And one day writing section, offline section I will keep so that it will become easy for you. Whatever questions are there, you ask me those questions related to LPP. Then vectors I am going to start this week. Integrals and vectors. Okay. Applications. Yes. Okay. Applications, some important sections video I'm making because tomorrow I'm free. So morning I'll make full application videos. 10, 10, 15 minutes, one question. Definitely I'll discuss. And case study, but we need to solve offline. Case study not solving means it is not going to work. So that need to be done very thoroughly. Now listen, everyone. One common class I am wishing to keep for what you call Trikalkundram and Anupuram so that we can have discussion of very important questions. Are you all ready? Right? If f of x is continuous function, if f of x, this question came in board 2019, very important question for everyone, right? If f of x is continuous function, 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 okay, defined in closed interval, defined in closed interval 0 to a, defined in closed interval 0 to a, then you need to prove that 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Because of this question now, one of my student lost 1 mark and because of that she got only 99. So I will always remember this question in 2019. Yes. Joshika, good evening, beta. So this is one of the most important questions. Please kindly don't leave this type of question. When proof pattern questions are coming means we have no way other way out. So please kindly solve. One small pattern change means the question will be solved in no time. Okay, so you must try this question, how to solve this question. Because proving this type questions is typical. Proving the proof content is difficult and we need to do it very, very thoroughly. So please solve this question. Try this question out, children. Come on, go for it. Okay, beta. So now look here. When you will be solving this question, exactly what you are going to do. Beta, x is equal to a minus t you assume. Because what here is, it is a minus x. So we will say, let x is equal to a minus t. We will assume on our own because we have no other way out. What we are going to say, let x is equal to a minus t. What we have assumed, x is equal to a minus t. Done. So let x is equal to a minus t taken. Once we have taken x is equal to a minus t, after that what we will do? Tanesh, Madesh, come on, think about it. If I am taking x is equal to a minus t, what in all we can do? We will differentiate it with respect to t because now t is going to be changed. Don't differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to t because you have taken x is equal to a minus t. So dx by dt is equal to differentiation of a minus t with respect to t. So dx by dt is equal to, see Rohit, very nicely, this part will become 0. This part, differentiation of say 0 minus dt by dt. This will cancel. What answer is coming as? Dx by dt equal to minus 1. So dx is equal to minus dt. Done. Now beta, what is lower limit? So when x is equal to 0, we will substitute in this one. 0 is equal to a minus t. So what is t beta? T is equal to a. When x is equal to a, then what it will become? A is equal to a minus t. So t is equal to a minus a 0. Understood, beta? T is equal to a minus a will become 0. So beta, now this part of the question will become what? You are solving this one. You are solving 0 to a f of x dx. Now in this beta, what you did? You took x is equal to a minus t. What you took? X is equal to a minus t. So now what it is coming as? A minus t. And what is dt beta? Dx minus dt. Lower limit is coming as a, upper limit is coming as 0. So here one thing you must remember that lower limit is a, upper limit is 0, which is not possible. Lower limit cannot be greater than upper limit. Understood? So there is a provision of changing the placement. Got it? There is a provision of changing the placement. Rutuja, they are in backside beta. So now look here. So what answer? Negative will come. Na? Yes, that property. So minus first I am taking out Bharatan. So it will become f of, now look here beta, f of a minus t dt, and this part will become beta 0, a to 0. And we know one property na. Can I shift it? Huh. A to 0 because better now once you took x is equal to 0, you see when you are putting x equal to 0, lower limit, answer is coming as a. When you took x is equal to a, answer is coming as 0. So lower limit and upper limit shuffling when you are doing, what you are getting now, you are getting, because see, you are exactly assuming in definite integral, once you are substituting x is equal to anything, you have to change your lower boundary also and upper. Lower limit also and upper limit both has to be changed. Lower limit and upper limit both has to be changed. And here lower limit and upper limit both you have changed. Huh? See what I did. I took x is equal to a minus t because right side what is the answer? A minus x. So what we have assumed x is equal to a minus t. After that we differentiated. After differentiating we got x value. Dx value is coming as what? Minus dt. Now instead of dx we can write dt. Now here also change. Now we have to change lower limit and upper limit. For changing lower limit and upper limit, one time x is equal to 0 we substituted. Where? In this part. So when you substituted, what is the value of t coming? A. Then we have substituted x equal to a. When you substituted x equal to a, what is the value of t coming? 0. Whatever you got, you are going to substitute here. Your content was 0. Now here it is coming as a. Your content was a. Now here it is coming as 0. Here you have taken x as a minus t. So you will write a minus t. Dx value is coming as what? Minus dt. So you wrote minus dt. So everything after changing looking like this only. Got it? Now beta lower limit is a, upper limit is 0, which is not at all possible. Lower limit should be lesser, upper limit should be greater. So we will change the place. When we are changing the place, 1 minus will come. Got it? We are changing the place means 1 minus will come. Why? Because of a property. What is that property says? That property number 2. Like a to b, f of x dx will become minus b to a f of x dx. Did you got my point, beta? So whenever we change the location, lower to upper and upper to lower, minus minus will come. So overall what is coming? 0 to a f of a minus t dt. 0 to a f of a minus t dt. Got it? 0 to a f of a minus t dt. And beta, what instead of this, change in variable will not change the function. This is property number 1. Change in variable will not change the function. Change in variable will not change the function. This is what beta? Property number 1. Change in variable will not change the function. That is property number 1. So now let's check that one. So overall answer will come as what beta? So overall we can substitute. This part can also be written as 0 to a f of a minus x dx. You can change any variable. You can write here y also. 0 to a f of a minus x, instead of x what you can take it as y. 0 to a f of a minus y dy. 0 to a f of a minus z dz. Like it will not at all be changing. Where is Sadhana? I hope you might have understood this part. Understood, Rohit? So, beta, this is exactly 2 marks proof. Unexpected question came in board exam. In which year? Understood. Two more, one more last integral class I am going to keep, because definite integral, one question sure short is there. Understood. In Haribari, we are not going to do anything. Most important questions we will be doing and then we will be leaving. Understood, Bharatan? It's not like just Haribari finish it. It's like whatever important is there, we are going to solve. So this is one question 2019 came better. So we must be solving it. We must be practicing it. Otherwise, it's not good. It's of no use, na? Correct, na? Sadhna, you're there only. Punch you. Why you did not said hi? I hope it is done. Come on, we'll go for the next question, please. See, look here, little bit speed we need to increase. So one pattern question we have discussed, log 10x, log that type question we have discussed now that day. We have exactly finished property number 5, or how many properties? Property 7 we have finished or not? Property 6 we have finished. This property I taught you now. This shortcut property, that is 0 to 2a. This property only discussed, not solved. F of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of x dx plus, write down, 0 to a f of x dx plus 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. This is the most important property. This is property number 6. Property number 6. Huh? We wrote only property. Question we have done? Okay, that odd function only. Na? That odd function property was the last property, beta. I think we didn't solve question related. Just we discussed. Roughly we discussed, na? Yeah. So property number 6 is done. Property number 7, right? 8. Right? Property number 8. Property number 8 is very, very important. Note down. Property number 8. This is star mark property, because based on this some questions are coming, beta. 7, na? Okay. Property number 7. I thought odd even means okay. Property number 7. This is most important. Star mark I have given. See, look here. F of x to be continuous. F of x to be continuous function. F of x to be continuous function of x defined in closed interval, on closed interval 0 to a, defined on closed interval 0 to a, such that, note down beta, such that f of a minus x is equal to f of x. Understood. Now beta, this property, Bharatan, first note on the property please. F of a minus x, please note down this property. It will become 0 to a x f of x dx is equal to a by 2 0 to a f of x dx. This is one of the most expensive property. X is removed. This property is one of the most expensive property because x is removed here. Now come on, go for it, beta. Are we ready? Huh? Highlight. No. Now one question is there, beta. This question came 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 times. No, total 2 more is there. Rather counting that 2 I skipped. And this is NCERT question. This is one of the most blackmailed question. Blackmailed question, why I'm telling, because seriously this question is having bit. Question is beta, right? I is equal to, solve it very carefully. 0 to pi x sin by x sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Please try this question. 1 plus cos square x dx. Come on, try this question, please. 1 plus cos square x dx. It's really super question. Better try this question out. Directly, if you will apply the property, means it's seriously going to give you some. We can apply the property and we can solve by both the methods. A minus x method also, directly property application also. Answer is? Oh, this is NCRT question, beta. After that we will do, because this property based 2023-2024 question came, so we are not going to leave this question. This is one of the most important part. Huh? Come on, try. Come on, go for it, please. Now, beta, look here. How to proceed with property? This property, na directly we can proceed. There are two ways to come out of it. Both the ways I'm telling you. There are two ways to come out of this question. One way is when you will be solving. Another way when you will be, means both the way you have to solve only. But one thing what we can do here is we can write I is equal to this now. So we know the property 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We can solve by this property also. Got it? So this is equation 1. So when we will be using the property, it will become 0 to pi minus x sine of pi minus x by 1 plus cos square pi minus x dx. I use property number 5. Huh? 5 or 6 application means 6 means direct pi by 2 will come. 6 means direct pi by 2. See, 6 means after this directly you can write pi by 2. Okay. So now this part is coming as 0 to pi minus this sin x by 1 plus cos square dx, equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, what you will get? 2y is equal to 0 to a pi minus x plus x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now beta, this part x cancel, so I will be equal to pi by 2 0 to a sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Beta, by applying that property directly, pi by 2 you might have written. By applying the property directly, what you might have written? Pi by 2. But here we are not applying the property. Understood or not? By applying property 6. Just now I taught na beta. What was our property 6? Look here, Rehan. 0 to a f of x f of x dx means it will become a by 2 f of x dx. So directly you could have reached to this place. If you might have used that property, directly you could have reached. But I solved and said how it is coming. Okay. Now after this, what is your conclusion, sir? Ama, substitution. Which substitution, sir? Cos square x. Can I take cos x is equal to t? Here it is pi. cos x. Okay, cos x is equal to t taking, but cos pi is very dangerous for you. Cos pi is very dangerous, but let's see you are able to solve or not. Take it. Cos x is equal to t. Differentiate beta. It will become minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. Done. So sin x will get cancelled now. So what is dt? dt is equal to dt by minus sin x is equal to dx. Minus sin x is equal to dx. We got till here. Hello Vishal. Now look here. Lower limit and upper limit shall be applied. Cos of 0 is 1. So now when lower limit put x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 means directly it is coming cos 0 is equal to t because cos x na. So t is equal to 1. This is lower limit. Now lower limit changed as t is equal to 1. What about the upper limit, can you tell? When x is equal to pi, cos of pi. What is the value of cos of pi, boss? Cos pi is 0. Then what is cos pi by 2? Then what is cos pi by 2? Say, cos pi by 2 is 0. You always remember like this. Now, wherever you are stucking, you do like this. 0, 90, 180. Cos 180 is minus 1. Cos 180 is minus 1. So, here it will become minus 1. Understood? So, cos 180 is equal to t. So, minus 1 equal to t. So, now your everything is going to be changed. What is your lower limit? 1. What is your upper limit? Minus 1. Apro, what is exactly here? Sin x we will keep as it is because we have to digest this one. Now, this part is coming as 1 plus t square. I is equal to pi by 2 and here it is coming as dt by minus sin x. Now this and this will get cancelled. Now only you have to change everything. Now look here. This part you need to shift now because I is equal to minus pi by 2, upper limit 1, lower limit minus 1, dt by 1 plus t square. How can we do that? Interchange the location. Minus will come out, it will become plus. Minus will come out, it will become plus. Now it will come minus 1 to 1. It will come what? Minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1 dt by 1 plus t square. Hey, directly we can write like that now. So now what answer we are going to get? Come on, say. So here it is coming as what, beta? I is equal to pi by 2. It will become tan inverse t. 1 time 1, 1 time minus 1. So write I is equal to pi by 2 tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse minus 1. Now beta, what is pi by 2? Tan inverse 1 is what? Pi by 4 minus of minus pi by 4. Answer is coming as what, beta? Pi by 2. It is coming as pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Pi by 2. So pi by 2 into pi by 2. It is pi square by 4. Answer is coming as pi square by 4 and it is one of the most. Good evening Sanjana, today you are very late beta. So this is exactly one of the most expensive question. Don't miss this type of question. I request you, please solve these type of questions. Okay. Down? Okay. So only I kept like this. First one by one you solve here. This is cos pi. Come on, beta, try once. Huh? T1 plus cos square x, if you are substituting, means differentiation will be changed now. Cos square will become 2 cos x into sin x. That will become sin 2x. And numerator is 2 sin x only. So sin x and sin 2x will not be cancelled. For converting to tan x, you need secant square x. Yeah, for converting tan x means you'll be needing secant square x. That's also going to be very typical. So whenever you will be doing little here and there means the question will struck you in exam. So better you should not be playing with the question. Very smoothly try to take it out. Okay. I hope you might have understood this part, beta. Ready for the next part? Tanish, ready, beta? So we will be discussing the next section. See, so minus pi by 2 dt 1 by t square is there. 1 by 1 plus t square. So we will be going for the next section. Are you ready? After this, I'm shifting it up. What and all steps are there? I took it. Note down. Noting the question is answer is most important. I'm waiting, no problem. Done? Shall we go for next question, beta? This question came in board exam nearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Same property based. Last year it came 2022, 2023. Okay. So this question came 2022, 2023. Your question is I is equal to 0 to pi x sin x. Please check this one out. Sorry, x by 1 plus sin x. X by 1 plus sin x dx. Try this question. This question last time it is coming is 2023. So 100% it's a good question for you. 2019, 2022, 2023. So nicely it is exactly the symmetric part points coming again and again. So please solve this question. Try this question, beta. Any answer coming means inform me, otherwise I will be solving. Come on, try this one. I'll solve. I'll teach some tricks for this question. Huh? 2, 3 questions of this section is very, very important. After that, property number 8. 2, 3 tricks questions are there. CBSE is not asking more of that questions. Solve. This is a very important. Hi Rupa Srinivas. I know one more Rupa. Do rationalization. Yes, I'll do rationalization with 1 minus an x. But beta, first I need to remove that x. X is poisonous. So first we need to remove x and then we are going to do rationalization. That's a nice trick. Good. Now look here. See, listen, when you are solving this question means she is correct only. But first work is we have to remove this x. And I told you now one property. What was that property, beta? What was that property? Oi. What was that property? I taught one property. What was that property? Directly, just before that one property I taught, now direct it will come as pi by 2. Huh? Same property. You want that's what the direct property we are going to first apply and then we will be resolving it. Okay. Okay, now listen. What we are going to do here is I is equal to this much given Navita. We know that 0 to a f of x, since we know that dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. See, one specific property we will apply means it will help us a lot. So it will become 0 to pi minus x by 1 plus sine pi minus x dx, which will become 0 to pi minus x by 1 plus sine x dx. Take this as equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. What will happen? It will come 2I is equal to 0 to pi minus x plus x by 1 plus sine x, because 1 plus sine x will become common, this and this will get cancelled. It will come 0 to pi outside 1 by 1 plus sine x. Till here we understood. Okay, till here we understood. 1 by 1 plus sine x, till here we got. But beta, the biggest problem, 2i, still I wrote 2i. I didn't change. 2i is equal to, But beta, here now one very important, where I wrote dx, I wrote small dx only. Okay. Now look here. So what work we are going to do here is, once you have written till here, then understood. So we wrote 2i is equal to that part. Now beta, after writing that 2i is equal to this much section, our problem is we can't be able to, if we are rationalizing it, if we will be rationalizing, dx means differentiation of x beta, but here we are using it in the diversement. Understood? It's not about guilty, it's good only. You are having confusion means it's my work to deal with it. Okay, so differentiation is inverse of integration. Integration is inverse of differentiation. Integration is just you integrate means make it bigger. Differentiation means make it smaller. Just reverse part we are doing. So we are putting the integral of dx. Okay, many things are there but in between you are asking, so that part already I have explained in the previous videos. Now listen, once you have written, so when you are integrating it, dx is one of the core section for dy, because it is dy is equal to dx, an integral of y with respect to x, so that y and x one function will be coming. Now listen beta, once you have written till here now, we will rationalize it. Okay, but our biggest problem is when you will be drawing this one 0, 90, 180. Sine of 180 value is 0. Sine of 0 value is 0, which is not at all good. So what we are going to do here is we are going to change the upper limit. Upper limit changing is most important. In absence of change in upper limit, we can't be able to solve the question to that perfection. Understood? Now we are going to use our this property. Our property was 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of x dx plus 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. But beta here 2a got converted into a. So here pi will be there. Pi will get converted into pi by 2 because we don't need pi. Sin pi means 0. Sin 0 means 0. So that means change in upper limit and lower limit must be there. Upper limit and lower limit cannot be same. But when we are applying that, it is coming as same, which is not good. Understood? So what we are going to do, we will apply this property. Now here 2i is equal to this change, limit change will be coming. Pi will be as it is. Rohit, pi part will be as it is. Mehan, look very carefully this one. This part will become 0 to pi by 2. Got it? One time f of x is 1 plus sin x plus 1 by sine of pi minus x dx. Done, beta? This is one of the most important thing, beta. See, one time f of x written as it is. Next time, because lower and upper limit is same na, so I took it out. And one time it is becoming sine of. So here, instead of 2a, what is there? Pi. So it will become sine of pi minus x. Listen very carefully, Bharatan. Here 1 by 1 plus sine x is there, na beta. 1 by 1 plus sine x is there. So here, instead of x, what we have to put? Pi by x. Because our upper limit was not 2a. Our upper limit was pi. So instead of writing 2a, yes. So now how it to become pi by 2? Yes, it is by property beta. That is what Rupa I told. Like one property is there, that is 0 to 2a. When you will be taking upper limit as 2a, when you use this formula, it will become a only beta. The formula part will become a. So here, when you are using, see, after getting this part, na, we used this formula. Got it? So when we are using this formula, instead of pi, it became pi by 2. And this is 0 to pi by 2. Here, what was that? 0 to pi. Now here, after application, it is become 0 to a. So it will become 0 to pi by 2. F of x means this section same. F of pi minus x means this section 2a minus x means this part is coming. Now, beta, when we will merge it, it is coming 2i is equal to pi 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 1 plus sin x plus 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. Now, beta, this is coming 2 time addition. So, what it will become? 2i is equal to pi 0 to pi by 2, 2 by 1 plus sin x dx. Now, beta, 2 will come out. 2i is equal to 2 pi 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. I hope you might have understood here. This is the most important and expensive formula it is there. Got it? Understood, beta. So I to pi we have written. Now what next we are going to do is, now we are going to rationalize it. What we are going to do? We are going to rationalize it. So I is equal to pi 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 1 plus sin x. Rationalize it with 1 minus sin x and 1 minus sin x dx. It is coming as I is equal to pi 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x is what, beta? 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x is a monkey. 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x is 1 minus sin square x dx. So this part will become what, beta? Pi 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus sin x by cos square x dx. I is equal to pi 0 to pi by 2. One time it will become 1 minus cos square x. Next time will become sin x by cos square x dx. You see, this is one of the most expensive question, and this is, yes beta. Hi Ajay. So this is exactly, yes, just to remove this x, we have done this. Nice. I hope you might have understood till here. Didn't got which section? Ask. No problem, yeah. You can ask.
In 1 by sin pi minus x square, next step it's become 1 divided by 1 plus sin x.
हाँ बेटा. Here it will be 1 plus. Sorry, I left.
That is the step.
That's correct only na. 1 by 1 plus sin x plus 1 by, I'll just change little bit. You could say na that auntie you missed, because that section will be remain same only na. Got it. 1 by 1 plus sin x, absolutely. Now beta, here what it will become, take pi common, it will become 1 by 0 to pi by 2 secant square x dx, and then minus 0 to pi by 2 tan x secant x dx. I is equal to pi beta, secant square x will become tan x. Is it possible? Tan x is coming. Ayo. Tan x is coming. One time check. Okay. Will not separate it out. Otherwise, it will create problem. Minus this will tan x into secant x will become secant x upper limit pi by 2 lower limit 0. Last part. First we will solve this because this is 2010. Now you understood. It is coming sin x by cos x, sin x by cos x by 1 by cos x, pi by 2 to 0. I is equal to pi sin x minus 1 by cos x, pi by 2 substitute beta. हाँ बेटा. It will not be, we can't write it as not defined. We have to solve it. Now look here, it is coming as pi by 2. It is coming, answer is coming beta. It will come, if you rationalize it with 1 plus sin x. Do it now one time, check. Sin x minus 1 by cos x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus sin x. Here it is coming as pi by 2 and 0. Okay, I'll shift it more so that you can see it clearly. So what you need to do here is, look here beta, why doing this also I'll tell you. Pi is there. Now beta, 1 plus sin x minus, it will come cos square x by cos x 1 plus sin x. Just to remove that pi by 2 effect na, we did like this, cancel. Now cos of pi by 2 is 0. Now we will not get 0. We will get answer as 1. Pi will be as it is. Now one time minus is outside. Got it? Now cos of pi by 2, cos of pi by 2 minus cos of 0. Upper limit minus lower limit. So one time sine also we will be substituting like this. Correct na? So sine one time what it will become? Here it will become 1 plus sine pi by 2. And here 1 plus sine pi by 2. Sine of 0. So here this section will be solved as I is equal to cos pi by 2 is 0 now. So this total answer will become 0. Cos pi value is 1. So this section will become 0 minus 1 by 1. So, and here outside is I is equal to minus pi. So I is equal to minus pi into minus 1. So it is coming as pi. Pa. For this pi, we did this much. I is integral. I is integral. Understood. 2023 question, beta, we can't leave this type of questions. These are seriously supernova questions. Correct, na? When these type of questions are coming means seriously we need to be very very careful for solving the questions. One question will definitely take so much time to solve. Is it okay, beta? Hmm? So if next part we are going to do, listen. Oh, you are watching time. Okay, we'll keep it till here. Hmm? Still now 8 minutes we are having for 1 hour. One more question can we do? Yes. F of x is function only, beta. Now look, beta. This question is not a tough question. This question is stupid question, and it will be taking nearly half an hour to solve this question. So we will be solving some easy questions right now. Yeah, all questions are 5 marks. It will take time. All questions will be 5 marks. So we'll solve some easy questions now. This pattern questions will take time to solve, beta. It's not so easy. All questions means 3 questions means all 5 mark questions. None of the questions are deserving less marks. All the questions are deserving like that only. One question I'm giving you, this question, these 2 questions must not be left. These 2 questions are very, very important questions. Done na this one? Noted? This part till here done? Fully over? Now look here. Question is 0 to pi x tan x by secant x plus tan x. This is one question, 5 mark question. This question came nearly 5 times in CBSE. This question came nearly 5 times in CBSE. Next question is 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x dx. They are the 2 questions. I want all of you to solve this as homework question and come. Tomorrow also I am going to explain, okay? Tomorrow also class is there. Trickle Kundram when I will be taking, or morning offline class I will take. Tomorrow school is there? Hmm. I hope school 11:30. Till what time school is there? If your school will be leaving soon means I can take class. Is it okay, beta? We are keeping it till here. Huh? Tomorrow I am keeping class because more holidays I have given. Offline class, offline class tomorrow morning I will be keeping. After 8, see, after I think 11:30 I will keep because KB students will return back till then. But solve these 2 questions. 12 o'clock can I keep or 1 o'clock? 1 will be okay, na? See 1 to 2:30 online means no problem for me. Okay. After that trickle, no, you will come offline. After that, listen, video will be recorded. After that evening, I will take online, that too from Trikal Kundram. Okay, that video will not, that, how I can, you can. Okay, so 1 o'clock beta, it will be the timing. The timing is 1 o'clock tomorrow. Sunday I'm going out, so tomorrow full day I'll teach, no problem. Okay, recording also today I have to do, or tomorrow morning I have to start recording. Bye everyone.